So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is a forearm freeze. Just like the base of your head freeze. So if you do your head freeze, your hands are same thing in a triangle. When you're using your head gets more balance because it's more surface. And then you have surface, surface. For the forearm freeze, it's hand, elbow. So where your other hand would be, your elbow is going to be there. And then the other spot where your head would be, your hands are going to be. So where your hand is going to be. So it's basically forming a triangle still, but it's a little bit harder because you have to actually use your hand. And your head is not going to touch the floor. So for your forearm freeze, it's called a forearm freeze. It's a power move. Hand, hand, elbow. You actually lean on your elbow. So from there, same as the begin kick, kick up, and then balance. It's a little bit harder because you actually have to use your core. But you can still do the same patterns you did before, but it's a little bit harder because you have to balance a little bit more. And that is your forearm freeze.